Great Lakes Ventures, let's dive in. Great Lakes Ventures, let's dive in. Great times, great vibes, let the fun begin. From the shoreline to the open blue, this journey's made for me and you. Great Lakes Ventures, come along for the ride.
Welcome to SeaWorld Orlando Sea Lion and Otter Spotlight Show, a fun, live presentation with California sea lions and otters at the Sea Lion and Otter Stadium, offering comedy, animal antics, and educational moments about conservation with opportunities for audience to interact, like feeding the sea lions at the nearby Pacific Point Preserve habitat. Enjoy!
Alright, buddy, I have a brilliant idea. This is where I'm gonna let you drive. I don't know why. But hey, you know what? Safety's first. So I'm gonna let you pop up here and I'm gonna sit back and be a passenger princess. So safety first. Keep that seatbelt on. But get us to the mall. But remember I said safety first, so slow down. Wow! Alright, it's fine. That's cool. We made it to the mall. I don't know how, but listen, buddy. Whew, I'm not feeling so good and wait, you don't look good either. You actually look like you're gonna wait, in here. You look like you're gonna alright, we're gonna work on that tomorrow. Is that fruitcake, buddy? The mall. Oh no! I-4 traffic! What are we gonna do? Alright, let's think about this. Oh, you're right! We know a shortcut. Recalculating. And for a good cause, you can make a donation. For some have a little and some have a lot. It's important to give and share what we've got. Inside and see how the boys do. We'll visit some stores with clerks played by guess who? We've got 13 minutes, so for the sake of time, while playing the clerks, I'm not gonna rhyme. Wow! There's so many stores we have to go to, buddy, but which one should we go to first? What's this? Oh. Welcome to Seaphora. Luxuriate in our lavish liniments and saturate yourselves in our sea salt spirits. Sample? Oh, Smells fancy. All right, Clyde. Try that on. Amazing. How about this? Even better. It's so adorable. Well, is there anywhere else you want covered? Don't push it, bud. Come on, we have so many stores to go to.
Oh, Seymour, this place sure is crowded. Hey, Seymour, you know what they say? Once you've seen one shopping center, you've seen a mall. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello, welcome to SeaWorld. The future is calling. Are you brave enough to answer?
No, but my friend here does need a new phone.
Oh, this is our latest shell phone. The Cyborg Extreme. You don't upgrade it. It upgrades you.
Okay, well, let's check this out. What do you think, Seymour? Oh! I think he broke the screen.
Oh, don't worry. We have just what you need. An otter box.
Open the doors, we'll take it.
All right, that one book. Oh, yeah, the 2 sweaters. And we can't forget about that 50 pounds of fish. Well, you know, I really do just love the Sand Otter store. Oh, thank you. That's so sweet. We need one more thing. I know. Let's just go in here.
Welcome to Grandma Snots. Every makes a beautiful, disturbing speak.
Great. I guess these places still exist. Is there a Blockbuster next door?
Yeah,
Just kidding. Since we're already here, do you mind just taking our photo?
yeah, you've a smile. Oh, yes, yes, slap that flipper, your playing toy. Yes, oh, you're pouting, you're so bad. Oh, you spin me round like a record, baby, round, round. You're giving Kardashian. Oh, yes, yes, applause, baby, applause. Oh, it's America's next top sea lion. Well, that's it for shopping. And another requirement, if they keep this up, it's goodbye Elton, hello retirement! Ooh, let's check on the boys back inside. Where did they go? Seymour, Clyde!
Sorry we're late. Yeah, so sorry.
20 minutes you had, and now there are 8. For Santa to visit, you must decorate.
But look, we've already started.
Oh, well, for Santa to really have buy-in, think fixer-upper, but as a sea lion.
Huh. Fixer-upper. All right. Let's think here. All right. We're a team. So we're going to get on this. You know what? I think the 2 of us can come up with a way, and then they're going to come up with a way to decorate. Sounds good? All right. Ready, set, break. Let's decorate.
Let's all decorate this sea lion banner. Opie, my friend, where is that banner? Looks like something's giving little Opie some pause. Perhaps what he needs is a big round of applause.
That sounded great, but I don't think the otter's coming.
Oh, thank you. It's beautiful. Now, you know what else would be swell? We need an ornament nice, big, and round. Where
Well,
on earth?
Hold that thought, Alfred. It appears as though Opie Otter has contemplated what we've done wrong with this decorating. So it might be a couple of minutes to figure out how we can better decorate according to the otter style.
Well, I'm utterly open to suggestions.
Does anybody have a feeling that things might not be going perfectly as planned? Yeah, and you're here for it. Okay. Obviously we work with animals here. We work with positive reinforcement. We can only ask the animals if there's they want. We can give them restaurant quality seafood, we can give them toys, we can give them back rubs, we can put them to different parts of the pool. They live in multiple different habitats all in the back. Now when they do something incorrect, we do this. You want to see it again? We don't do anything. We just ask the animals to do something, and right now, as you clearly saw, OP Otter decided that he might want to do something else for a little bit. Otters are very scent-oriented, meaning that they like to smell things, so sometimes that might get the best of them. But no big deal. OP has now decided that decorating can commence. So let's start off with, I don't know, an ornament?
I think it'd be great if we decorate. Oh, we needed an ornament, nice big and round, and oh, hey, look at what Seymour has found! You know what would really give Santa some cheer? By seeing one of his famous reindeer!
Sure! A blow-up reindeer. Up, up, up! Okay, great. Now I think we can use some Christmas stockings. Oh, well, Seymour! That was pretty close. What a cute stocking. All right, splendid, Seymour. Hey! All right, and here he is. Well, that is just marvelous, Clyde. I shudder to ask, but is OP coming back out? No. Okay, great. Terrific.
It.
Well, throw it, throw it!
Catch it, catch it!
Well, that is very heavy. And oh no, it has ended up in the water. Perhaps someone can come help me. Hey! Yay!
Woo! The stockings were hung by the tribute with care, but there's one thing still needed to get Santa down there. One final task to complete, I hope. Clyde, hoist up this tree by pulling that rope! Yay! Want Santa here tonight? Replace this burnt-out Christmas light!
Burnt-out bulbs! Okay, everybody spread out. We have got to find a replacement.
Oh! Look, everybody, in the hands of the mine! Throw it up here! There isn't much time!
We'll get it. It's fine.
And not without a second to spare. Now Santa is about to arrive, so let's all count it down, starting in 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. Did Opie get a hold of Santa? What's happening? Well, that's not Santa.
6004. Christmas is a feeling. So just because you didn't see Santa doesn't mean you missed him. Remember, he's always in your heart.
Wait, Miss Alfred, you're not rhyming.
I'm not?
Nope.
I'm not! It looks like I got my Christmas present too! I can finally retire!